Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to delete all your Facebook search history. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up Facebook app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on this three slider. Scroll down right here. Click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. Click on account center. Click on your information and permissions. Click on search history. Select your Facebook account. Then here you go. You have access to all your search history right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the search history. For you to delete your any search history right here, go ahead and click on here. The more you tap, the more they are going to be deleted from your Facebook search history. It's that simple. For more tutorial about Facebook topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.